is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is a post review of Nystique Art's Timey, Whimey from Treasure Studios Art. This was square, and it was a 60 by, I think, 90 by Nystique Art. No, 60 by 80. It had 35 colors. And I did this for my hashtag for the love of fandom 2021 with Valerie, and I love Doctor Who. And I had talked with Rachel over at Treasure Studios Art and said, hey, I'm wondering if you could help me get a custom of Doctor Who. She's put customs on hold so she can give us quality products from artists. And she knew this was coming out, and when I saw it a couple months ago, I'm like, I have to have it. Then I worked with Valerie and we came up with For the Love of Fandom, which many of you joined us, and I'm super, super excited. This was my first square, and I'm telling you, they have upped their game. I know Rachel went with the different factory. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you what I have left over. Have them right down here. I used my Harbor Freight. So this is what I have left over in here. I didn't run out. Well, actually, I did run out of one color. Called Rachel up or emailed her. She uses place here in the United States. It was here within 3 days. I just worked on another side. No questions, no hassle. I didn't even realize I ran out. She just had it sent over and we were good to go. So customer service is phenomenal. All right, so this is Nystique Art, and I did a little extra something here. Okay, so we're gonna go through this. So down here, I added ABs so that these little guys are a little extra bling, a little extra texture. They're saying, hello, we're cute, but we're going to eat you, right? So did a little bit there. I didn't do much with the Daleks, with the Exterminate. I wanted to keep them the same, but I did up here do a little bling with the 3D glasses. I added a little extra ABs. And yeah, so that was so much fun. Look at the doctor up there peeking over. Nystique did such an amazing job. I had no problems at all with this. Absolutely gorgeous rendering. You can see the bad wolf there. I did try to bling this out. I was going to use black ABs, and I think it's 939 and 823s make up this bad wolf. I ended up taking it out because it was coming off as green. Because of the AB coating, it was doing like a green sequence, and I did not want that. It's not that it wasn't beautiful, it just didn't, there's no green in this image. And so I ended up plucking them all up and switching it back to the color. And that's okay. That's what makes it your own piece. There is also another spot on here that I accidentally looked at the wrong color and started doing it, but you can never not tell because the colors are so similar. And that's okay. We all make mistakes. I make mistakes. But I'm so excited, guys, how this turned out. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go through my logbook, and finally, now that I'm starting some new stuff, I'm putting the new in the logbook. So you will start to see in my unboxings actual writing in this book, and then I'll be able to record the post review as well in the book. This is the Diamond Painting Guide and Logbook. Please see the link down below. It's all these tips and tricks and tools of the trade, but then there's also a logbook in the back. So for the post review, canvas glue, complete sticks, slippery, rivers, bubbles, etc. Treasure Studios Art, TSA, they use a mounting glue. That's a different type of glue than double-sided adhesive and a different type than poured glue. And so I had no problems whatsoever. Drills, or symbol clarity. The symbol clarity was good. I did have to use a light pad, and the reason I had to use a light pad is because sometimes the symbols, like this one right here, I have lots of light for the video, but if I'm just excuse me, diamond painting, because it's black on a dark color, it was hard to see. And then here, like it's a circle on a dark blue versus this white, which was clearer to see. Yeah, so that was like this plus sign right here was difficult at times. But as long as I had a light pad, I was okay. So I'm going to give it 4 instead of 5 stars because it is something that can be improved. Drill quality and quantity, did I run out? I'm going to give it a 4-star again because I did run out. It's a factory thing. Rachel got right on it. She sent it to me. She did an amazing job. Design success, give it 5 stars fully. Love how it turned out. I was skeptical at first, but again, trust the process. And then the experience, hands down, it was 5 stars. So you've got 5 stars, 4, 4, 5, and 5. I don't know what that averages out to be, but I think it was pretty good. So I absolutely love it. I love like these angels over here and how they turned out. This was one of the bigger ones that I've done in a long time. And it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And TSA, Rachel does an amazing job of her renderings and how Nystique's art was able to come and just really pop off the page and do it justice. So I'm super excited. I absolutely love, and look at his glasses right here. I didn't even know that these were here until I started diamond painting them. That made me love this picture even more. This also says exterminate up here. You've got the police box. So excited. All right, guys, so this is Jennifer. I'm gonna go take off so I can diamond paint some more. So be blessed, take care. I cannot wait to see your finishes. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and come join our Facebook group, Creative Craft Addictions. Until next time, be blessed, take care. Bye-bye.